Let's move on to talk about and learn more about your home country of Lebanon, its economy and crypto market. We talked about it a little at the beginning. And given that it's the second largest crypto market in MENA, Lebanon is an interesting place considering its economy and inflation. And EmergingCrypto.io recently covered crypto's role in Lebanon as the headline article a few weeks ago. But before we talk about crypto in Lebanon, for our viewers who may not be familiar with Lebanon, Lara, how is Lebanon's economy performing and what is the rate of inflation like there?
So for those who don't know, in 2019, a financial banking crisis occurred, and Lebanon, and they had, Eurobond debts and so forth, and the government, the state defaulted on those bonds. So they were in billions of dollars. And it turned out they kind of lost like $150 billion between whatever people's money was in the banks and whatever they had loaned out and whatever they had, indebted and so forth. So that crashed not only the financial sector, but it crashed the entire economy. And it's been that way for the past 3-4 years because no reforms have been made, no economic reforms have been made to date, no governmental reforms have been made. So the inflation went up to more than 280%. I mean, so let's put it in perspective. Before that, $1 used to equal 1,500 Lebanese liras, right? Today, $1 is 40,000 Lebanese liras. That means a person who used to get paid $1,000 in Lebanese, like 1,500,000, is now getting paid $40 or even less, $30, which has put Lebanon in the level of countries that we used to think were, wow, you know what I mean, Ethiopia or Venezuela or whatever. So we're in now that level of economic stagnation, whatever you want to call it. Yet the Lebanese are resilient, and that's where crypto comes in. Okay. One of the basic things about the Lebanese is they've always been travelers. So if you have 4 million Lebanese in the country, you have 14 million that are outside of the country working, across different continents and they bring with them the new knowledge and new ways of, sending money or helping out and so forth. And I think that's how crypto has seeped into to the economy. There aren't official figures, but they're in the hundreds of millions, that, from what I've talked to different people from, over the counter, the ones, trading crypto for fiat, they're in the hundreds of millions and it's growing. And a lot of them are using stable coins because it's a good way. So one of the major issues is that since a lot of businesses can't get their money out of the banks, right? And therefore they can't import export the way they want to. Now they use USDT to do that. So they buy with USDT, import, and then sell. So yes, the crash created this growth in the crypto sector.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with us. We also produce a weekly newspaper packed with the latest Web3 news from emerging markets. The link to get access is in the description below. And if you really like the video, share it with your friends and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for supporting the channel.